excited to be here at Shanghai for ITMA Asia. It's the second year in a row that we've been here to showcase our TextCoat G4 machine. There's a lot of interest in this machine to replace pad finishing. We have several customers here in China, but one of our biggest markets is in the Asia region of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan. We have several machines running in those countries. Yeah, so Baldwin is over 100 years old, and it was founded in the area of offset printing for newspapers, magazines, and things like that. And this technology is actually a development from that industry. But as people are reading fewer and fewer magazines and newspapers and doing more and more online, we started looking for areas where we could take this technology and where we could find some good use for it, and certainly textiles was a logical location or logical industry. Yeah, so if you look at our bread and butter products, those are anything in the apparel industry, both knits and wovens. We're also very well known in home furnishings, whether it's upholstery fabrics or bed sheeting. We have customers that are in automotive. We actually treat some military type fabrics, so the full range of from the most basic commodity t-shirt fabrics with softeners to very technical fabrics that have very high requirements for water repellency, flame retardancy. We did one product of where we spray permethrin for anti-mosquito for the military. So we do a lot of work in many different areas. Well, if you think about it, we're like any other machinery manufacturer. In our case, we're an American company, but this particular product is engineered in Sweden and is manufactured in Germany. So we actually started in the European market, in the US market, and then as the product matured to the point where we were ready to roll it out to Asia, because Asia is where the big market is. And so we're having a lot of success in the India, Bangladesh, Pakistan region, China. We're also now moving into Vietnam and exploring opportunities there, as well as Indonesia, Taiwan, and places like this. But if you look at where our hottest market is at the moment, definitely India and Pakistan is the hottest markets for us at the moment. Yeah, this is really exciting news for us because we've been in the Indian market for about 2 years. We actually have our own entity in India. However, they're more focused outside of textiles. India is a huge textile market, and so with this, we need to have the right partner that has the right network and they have the right reach to get our story out to the market. So after a very comprehensive search, we settled on ATE, and we are very proud to be partners now with ATE, and they have exclusive representation for us in the market of India. Yeah, at the moment, again, we're fairly new to India. We just installed and started up a machine at Dimatex. We have 2 more customers that we're starting up machines, but I can't say who they are at the moment. As with their commission and they start out, as soon as they give us permission, we'll be happy to tell the market. Yeah, so sustainability is really the hottest topic. And one of the big challenges with sustainability is there's a lot of greenwashing going around where everybody's saying, I'm sustainable, these are my targets. But the key with TextCoat G4, that's what it's all about. It's all about sustainability. With TextCoat G4, it is replacing the pad or the fullard, if you will. So if you have, let's say you have a bed sheeting fabric, typically when you apply the softener or the resins, when you dip it into the pad, you pick up around 60-65% moisture, and you have to evaporate the stenter frame. We have a customer in Pakistan that installed a machine in July. They're running 60 meters per minute, with a 65% pickup with the pad, we installed TexCoat and went from a high pickup with the pad down to 27% pickup with TexCoat. Their machine went from 60 meters per minute speed to 100 meters per minute, and that's as fast as a machine would run. So the next thing they did is they had to turn the temperature down in the stenter from 180 down to 160. And that truly is sustainability. That's really reducing the carbon footprint. And on top of that, they're saving a lot of water and a lot of chemicals. Of course, water is something very important, but unfortunately, water is inexpensive. So the CFOs are not so concerned about saving water. The CFOs want to make money. And so TexCoat G4 does both. It's friendly for the environment and it's friendly for the bottom line. Yeah, so if you go back to the COVID time, okay, during COVID, textile machinery business went crazy. Everybody was completely sold out because people were working from home. They were changing a little bit of the fashion. They were going from more business attire to more casual attire. So everybody kept ordering production machines. But then the inventory got glutted, and so this type of equipment slowed down. So what we saw at ITMA in Milan last year, we saw a lot of customers looking for ways to improve their process, their current processes. And so for us, it's really been a boon. We are selling machines just about on a weekly basis to these markets. And every day we are having customers and brands coming to us saying, how can you help us reach our sustainability targets? And speaking of the wars, this of course has caused problems in energy prices. So historically, energy prices are a bit volatile anyway, but now with the wars, we're really seeing spikes in natural gas prices. Well, when this machine is reducing your natural gas cost per kilo by at least 50%, then it really becomes a no-brainer.